pals, I'm Hayden.
And I'm Hope.
Welcome back to another episode of OWTV.
Happy prom week.
Speaking of prom, make sure to scan this QR code for info about the bouquet bar this week.
Before we get things started, let's hand it over to Molly and Kennedy for this week's sports update.
What's up, pals?
Welcome to this week's sports update.
Spring sports are in full bloom, and we're so excited to show our support for our athletes.
That's right. OW Track and Field hit the ground running at their meet at Shawnee Mission South on Monday, with the boys placing first and girls taking fourth.
Now today they go in and face some tough competition at ODAC. Let's get another win, Owls.
Soccer is still kicking off their season with a game on Tuesday ending in a tie. Soccer plays on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Stop by sometime.
Our Olathe West softball team played Tuesday, winning against Lawrence High School 13-0.
Not just the girls, but baseball has been hitting it off with their season as well, with the game on this past Tuesday winning against Shawnee Mission West 3-0.
Actually, they also play tomorrow. If you're not getting ready for the dance, come out and watch the ball game.
Take me out to the swim-meet. Swim and dive competed this past Wednesday at Olathe East.
Boys golf took a swing at things this Monday at Blue Valley Northwest, taking 5th overall, and Gator Wood finishing 6th, shooting 74.
Wow, we sure are a busy bunch. Good job at staying motivated and driven for success, Owls.
We've appreciated your company, but that's all for your weekly sports update.
Bye, Owls!
Hayden, do you ever wonder what our teachers looked like at our age?
Yes, I have. Let's see if OW students can guess that teacher by their prom photos. Take it away, Carter and Harleigh.
What's up, Owls? I'm Carter.
And I'm Harleigh. Today we're going to go around asking students to guess the teacher.
Prom edition.
Let's go.
Who am I here with?
Braden Walker.
Liz Browning.
Dayton.
DJ Walker.
Carly. Sadie.
Weston Voigt.
Greta Davis. Reagan Batty.
Rylan Todd. Miss Har.
Miss Hera?
Ms. H.
That's Miss Hera.
Miss Hodge. Miss Hodge.
Miss Hodge.
It's Miss Hodge.
Hodge. That's Hodge.
Coach Frick.
Yep.
Dude, I don't know. Oh, Mr. Frick.
Is it Frick? Yeah.
Coach Frick.
Oh, Bell.
Yep.
Coach Kenny?
It's Coach Bell for sure.
Bell.
That's Bell.
Wow, our teachers haven't aged at all.
Hey, Hope, would you rather have a long or short dress for prom?
Definitely long. How about you?
Long for sure. Let's take it over to Caitlin, Kenna, Sophie, and Malaina as they ask OW students Would You Rather Questions Prom Edition.
With a date or a friend to prom? Date. Who am I here with?
Corbin. A date.
Who am I here with?
Marin Russell, Bella Gandini, Kaya Finazzo,
Duncan.
Jessica.
Okay, in ball gown or brunch dress for prom?
Brunch dress, ball gown, brunch,
Ball.
ball gown.
Who am I here with? Maddie.
Maddie,
Ball gown.
ball gown,
Who am I here with?
Kemper Wildebohr.
And a tie or a bow tie for prom?
Bow tie.
Who am I here with?
Teddy Garcia, bow tie. Tie is just too formal.
Who am I here with? Reese.
Zara,
Jameson. Would you rather have a corsage or bouquet for prom? Bouquet.
bouquet, bouquet,
Who am I here with?
Amara,
Neely.
bouquet, bouquet,
Who am I here with?
Quinn Clark. Braden Rennie.
And poker or bowling for prom?
Poker. Poker. It's an addiction. It's a lifestyle.
Who am I here with?
I'm Josh. Poker, 100%.
Who am I here with? Chloe Walker. And updo or hair down for prom?
hair down.
Who am I here with?
This is Miss Pickens.
And would you rather bust a move or chaperone at prom?
Probably chaperone. I only bust a move in my kitchen.
Hayden, what are you doing?
I'm trying to learn how to play poker since there will be different poker games at prom.
Luckily for us, Ashlyn, Nora, and Alexandra gave us a tutorial on how to play just in time for prom.
Alright, so the dealer is dealing out 2 cards to every player. Each player will look at their own cards and not show anyone else. Aces is one of the best hands, and 7-2 offsuit is one of the worst hands. The first 3 cards that come out is the flop. You're trying to make the best possible hand with your cards. Checking means you don't put any money out. This person decides to put $2 so that they can try and build the pot because they think they have the best hand. The turn comes, which is the 4th card. It goes check, check. Then the last card comes out. This guy went all in thinking he has the best possible hand because he wants the most money, and the person calls thinking that they have the best hand. But the person who went all in first wins the hand because he had quad aces, while the other guy only has a pair of kings. Alright, now we have blackjack. First, everyone will start by putting a bet into the circle. Everyone will get 2 cards face up except for the dealer. The dealer will have 1 card face up and 1 face down. The goal is to get as close to 21 without going over. You can either hit or stand. Right now, the person decides to hit once and then stand. Next person hits and then they stand. The last person busted, which means they went over 21, so the dealer won. And then the other 2 beat the dealer with a higher hand.
Have you ever realized how many great segments and episodes OWTV has?
Yeah, I wish there was a way to show it off to our community.
What about exhibition night?
Oh yeah, Chloe made a segment all about expedition night.
Wow, so cool. Well, that's all we have for you guys.
We hope you guys have fun at prom.
Bye, owls!